Woo! Yes, so the car is on the road. We are travelling at Western Ring Road and a truck decided to break down, which is cool. Means more time in the beast. So, yes, we are driving very slowly but surely. Go ahead, forwards. There's space. Don't be a fool here, Justin. Last thing I need you is go up the arse of another car. Is that what you said? The road cruise?
No fools here.
No fools here, fool!
Only farts.
Woo! Oh yeah.
There's no.
We get ups, we got downs. That's a bit too much fun. This car is too cool.